Hi friends, so today for math, the only thing that you will need will be your listening ears and your laser focused eyes. You guys can follow along with me for the rest. Um, Today, very similar to what we did last week, we're going to be identifying the 10 ones and some more ones, but rather than using the number bond like we did last week to make number sentences, we're going to actually be comparing which group has more, which group has less, okay? So we're going to start, I'm going to be doing an example with the erasers and the pencils, okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to circle 10 erasers, okay? So I'm going to count, and I want you guys to follow along, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 erasers. So I'm going to circle this group of 10 erasers, okay? So that's 10 ones, and then we have more ones. So then we have 10, 11, 12. We have 12 erasers, okay? Now I'm going to do the same thing with the pencils. I'm going to use a different color. All right, I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to circle this 10 group of pencils. All right, now I'm going to count on from 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm wondering which group has more. And I'm just going to put a little shape. How about a triangle? I want to put a triangle with the group that has more. And I have identified that the pencils have more. Okay, there's my triangle to show that the pencils have more. The erasers, there were 12. The pencils, there were 13. So there are more pencils than there are erasers. Okay, moving on, we can now count the number of sandwiches, okay? And we know from our work that we did last week that we can identify a 10 group, right? A 10 frame. And I can tell that this is a 10 frame. So I don't even have to count those. I can count on. So that's 10, and then that makes 11, okay? And then we can come over here and let's count the milk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I'm going to circle the 10 group that we found there. There's a 10. All right. So this one had 11 and this one had 14. Which group had the largest amount? There were more sandwiches and there were more milks than there were sandwiches. So I'm going to put the triangle there. All right, moving on. So we're going to do baseballs and gloves, all right? We want to see how many we have of each and which one has more, okay? All right, let's count the baseballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle that 10 group. And we can count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm going to write that number right here. Write the number 16. Okay. Now let's count the number of baseball mittens. Okay. Let's pick a different color for this. Let's go to red. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle that 10 group. Right now I can count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I'm going to write that number here. And it looks like we have the same number of mittens that we have of baseballs. Okay. Let's keep it going with apples, okay? We're going to circle 10 apples and then circle 10 oranges, and we're going to figure out which one has more and which one has less. Very similar to what we did above, okay? Here we go. Let's count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And go back and circle that 10 group. All right, and then I'm going to write the number 15 here. All right. Can you guys count the number of oranges that we have here? You guys can get close to your screen and go ahead and count. Push pause, and when you're done, we can count together. All right, I'm hoping that you guys took the time to count how many oranges we have. All right, let's count together. We're going to decide which group has more, or which group has less. I'm sorry. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle that 10 group. And I can count on 11, 12. And now I write the 12 here. All right. Which group has less? Remember, less is smaller, more is bigger. Which group has less? Which is the smaller number? The smaller number here is the number 12. That's the smallest number. I'm going to put the little triangle right there to help us remember. All right. Now I want you guys to do this one all by yourself. You guys count the spoons and count the forks, and then tell me, or take a picture to tell me which one has more and which one has less. All right. Push pause. All right, I am hoping that you guys took the time to count and to decide which one had more and which one had less. Let's do this together, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I want to circle that 10 group because it's always easier to identify the 10. All right, now we can count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And I can write the number 19 here. All right, now we have to count the forks. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, silly Miss Hudson, I forgot to circle my 10 group. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle this group of 10. All right, so we had a total of 18, right? Total of 18. So we know that 19 is it more or is it less? What do you think? 19 is more than 18. All right, great job today, guys. Our job today was to identify groups of 10 within 10 numbers, and then to identify which group of objects had more, which group had less. All right, thank you for following along with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.